Hey, what's going on? I'm Whit. Welcome back to the channel. Today, unboxing a cool watch from Militado. This one's a pretty popular brand starting to take off on AliExpress. This is the ML-08, which is their version of the Murph. Here it is. Oh, we can't see anything. All right, well, since you can't see anything, here's their, credit card style Militado International Guarantee, 2-year warranty. Oh, I can tell already that I like this military style strap. That's cool with the black and tan. That's gonna match this dial exactly. Oh, yes. Look at that cathedral handset and that minute track. Oh, beautiful. Let me get the wrap off. There we go. Man, that is nice. Look at that. I mean, this is a budget watch. I'm telling you right now that this is around $65, maybe a little less if you find it on sale. And just overall, I mean, look at the quality level they're giving you. This looks way more expensive. I love this matte black dial, and that minute track just looks awesome. So this is a 316L stainless steel case. It's got a double dome sapphire crystal with clear anti-reflective coating. So we're catching a little bit of my reflection from the light above with that double dome crystal. But man, you can see through it pretty nicely, huh? And I love how this watch is completely brushed, right? Except for the top part of that bezel. So it's a fixed bezel. You can see just got a little bit of slope here from the side profile, but that top-down view, it just got a little splash of bling, you know, from it being polished. So I think a lot of purists will probably not like that think this should be completely brushed, and I'll give that to you, but I think that looks good. Now, of course, ask me again in a few weeks when I got it all scratched up if I still like it. Wow, and see, and I told you it would look good with this strap, right? This seems to be a pretty nice double pass, which, by the way, if I forget too, if you go to check out this watch, make sure you look at some of the straps that they have available on their website as well, because they've got a lot of great straps for, you know, $5, $6, $10 too, so check them out. But I want to look at that dial a little more. So that is just a matte black, and look at that brushed stainless steel handset. Again, you're not finding a lot of, you know, detail like that on the handset for watches around $65. That's pretty slick. Now, I think this is the most popular color, but they do have a few different colors that are available in a different dial variation too, though, you should note. It's the same watch and case and everything, but there's a blue dial, green, and then there's a black with white indices and white handset instead of this patina look. All right, and small watch fans are going to be happy. This is 2 small ones in a row for me. This is supposed to be 38 millimeter, and that's what I've got, 38.1. Lug to lug of 43.6. 20 millimeter lug width for your straps. And getting underneath the military style strap, you've got a thickness of just 10.5 millimeters. Now, I know what you're thinking. How'd they get this watch so thin with that automatic movement? Because you saw that seconds hand with his sweep. Well, this is the Seiko VH31 sweeping quartz. So not an automatic movement in here. This is got a 2-year battery life. It does beat at 14,400 vibrations per hour, or 2 hertz. So that's about 4 ticks for every second. It's a nice little compromise. You got a nice grab and go and super great accuracy. This has got a rating of plus or minus 15 seconds per month. And back to the other specs, you got a screw down crown, 6.4 millimeters in diameter. And let's give it an unscrew and move the handset around and see how it feels. That's nice resistance. Nothing out of the normal there. And yep. And there's a screw down case back as well. And it looks to be, let me get this double pass strap out of the way. It looks to be sterile. So you just got some circular brushing on it. And let's talk about this strap, by the way. It's a double pass military style. Looks to be some very nice reinforced stitching. It's not silky smooth seatbelt style, but it's also not rough texture that would be uncomfortable to you. It looks like it's going to break in nicely. It's got a ribbed pattern to it, but it's very slight, less than those that are actually touted as a ribbed strap. And you see all the hardware looks to be sandblasted, so not quite matched to the brushing on the watch head, but definitely it meets the color requirement. Nice little curvature to the buckle there, and it's got a decent length to it as well. Let me try it on while we're talking about that. But first today, I'm wearing the Wise Hitman Hit 66 Special Edition. That's a full lume dial, and you can customize this watch. You choose the bezel color, you choose the handset, or the seconds hand color, and its style, various things. Check out this video here if you want to check out more on this, the Wise Hitman. Ah, yeah, plenty of room. So again, 38 millimeter that looks pretty good on me. I've got an 8-inch wrist, so this would normally, out of my wheelhouse. It's a little small for me. But with this strap, you add that bulk here, it kind of, it blows things up a little bit. So I think I could definitely get away with that. I like the way that looks. Trying it on here just traditional style, keeping the excess here at the 2 pieces of hardware. And then here's my alternative method, which puts the hardware all on the bottom and shows nothing up top, but you do get some of the holes, obviously. So 2 different looks for you on this strap. And checking the luminescence now, looks to be pretty nice. This is C3 green, and looks to be a pretty even application. Maybe the handset is a little brighter or darker, if you will, than the indices, but I like how everything is loomed up, and only the seconds hand is missing lume, so nice luminescence. So the ML-08 from Militado watches, these run about $65 US directly on their website. I'll leave a link down below to that, and if I am able to get their AliExpress store, I'll leave that up as well. But I think a lot of these AliExpress brands are trying to transition to their own websites, obviously, but they can take home a little more money and in turn offer us even more value. So I'm all for that. What do you think? Pretty slick, huh? I mean, I can't believe the value you're getting. This is just a great pairing with that Seiko VH31 sweeping quartz movement. And again, with the finishing on this dial, the handset, the case, and the quality of this strap, man, this is a great package. First impressions are strong with this one. What do you think? Leave a comment down below. And maybe check out this video if you got time. I'll see you over there. I'm Whit, with so many watches, so little time and money.